Have you ever wanted to buy a home at sheriff's sale? Well, today we're going to be bidding on this mobile home right here at a 55 and over community in Naples. Why would I want to buy something like this? Because the numbers look too good to pass up. You want to learn how to do it? Come on, follow me to the auction. So now that we've established that we want to make an offer on this property, the next step is to do some due diligence. We spoke to the neighbors and we figured out that the home is vacant. So that's a good sign. We won't have to deal with any evictions. Our next stop is to go to the association to see if there's any back HOA fees. If you had to take a ballpark, would you say it's between 10 to 20,000, between 20 to 30,000?
Yes, I would say between that, yes. 10 to 20,
10 to 20? I'm going to round it up to 20 grand.
Anything lower than that is gravy, right?
Yeah,
It will be.
So if this home is worth $200,000 in a renovated condition, and they have about $10,000 to $15,000 in HOA, and we know we need about $40K in renovations, well, that means that we have an added cost of about $50,000 to $55,000. So the most I'd want to bid on this house is most likely somewhere around $80,000 to $90,000. But before we count our chickens, we got to get to the courthouse ASAP because we're running out of time. All right, well, the auction starts at 11 and it says here we're gonna get there 11:02. When you buy a property at a sheriff's sale, you have to make sure that the property that you're gonna be bidding on, number one, is being foreclosed on by the first position lien holder. Usually it's the mortgage. If not, you're gonna end up buying a property that has another big lien or another big mortgage on it that you're also going to be responsible for paying for. And that also accounts for taxes, accounts for HOA, accounts for utilities. It could even account for IRS liens. So you got to be very careful. Sometimes when they do have other liens, if both liens combined are still under the fair market price or what you're willing to pay for it, then okay, then it's a good deal. Again, if you guys want to learn how to do this, you want to sign up to our pre-registration for our real estate course. The link will be down below. We've got a nice chunky 30% discount if you guys do sign up early. But today we're going to be going to the actual courthouse. And I'm going to film as much as I can, even though you're not supposed to really film in there. I'm going to blur out a lot of faces. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It's going to be different in every single city and every county across the country. But I've experienced a few already, and well, not a few, I could say pretty much everyone in New Jersey, and now I'm starting to experience the ones here in Florida. Some of them are online, which is pretty cool, and some of them are in person, which is a little bit of a pain in the ass because you got to actually make it there on time, and hopefully we do get there on time. It's 11 o'clock right now, and it says here we're not gonna get there till 11:03. So man, time is flying. I gotta get there. You know what, let me cut this video short right now. I'll see you guys back at the courthouse. I think we gotta pick it up a bit. I know I'm a little bit of a slow driver, but not today. Maybe I'll break the speed limit even. Just kidding, you should never break the speed limit. Don't do that. You could go to jail or even get a ticket, which is even probably not worse, probably worse to go to jail. But don't speed, guys, not a good thing. Or use your phone to record while you're driving. We're here, but we're late. We gotta pick up our checks. Give me the boot, give me the loot. If that didn't look like a hand-to-hand transaction, I don't know what did, but we got the checks. 72,000 culture.
That's it, pre-qualified. Did you go check in?
Where?
Did you check in at auction this morning?
Is it too late?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so unfortunately on this one, we did not get it because we were there too late. We got there about 5 minutes too late after it started. And yeah, someone got it for about $75,000, which is under what we would have paid for it. The property was worth about $200,000. If we would have got it for $80K and put about $40–50K into it, would have been way under where we needed to be in order to refinance this property and keep it as a rental. But that's the way to cook your crumble sometimes, guys. You just never know. Word to the wise, be there at least 15 to 30 minutes late. Late, yeah, like I was. 15 to 30 minutes early if you want to make sure you catch all the rules and you register in time and you find parking, because sometimes that could be an issue in some of these counties. But I will tell you this much, if you want to learn more about how it is to do the numbers on these properties before you go out, make sure to watch this video so you don't make any mistakes when it comes to pricing. I'll see you guys over there in just a few seconds. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I will see you next time.